So I got a new cap here for this, and the other one was so cruddy and stuff it popped right off. So this thing looks like it's going to be super easy to put on. And I also got a new one of these spinny things here. So I'm going to do that first. Obviously, when I called to order it, the salesman said I just got to pop that pin out. So that should be pretty easy. So I hammered the pin out with a nail. The nail's still in there right now, so now I just pull it out, and this should come right off. All right, I pushed it on, and I think I see daylight through there, so I'm going to try to pop the pin in. I put a finishing nail, which is a little bit smaller than the pin in there, to make sure it's lined up. 1/8 of an inch that just doesn't want to go in. Handy piece of metal pipe and the hammer. Finally got it flush. This piece popped on there so easy. It was too fast for me to even show you. Just make sure you get underneath or get behind. It should click right in. Clicked right in. Look how shiny.